Hello guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to be making slime with only one ingredient which you of course have it in your house because you use it every single day in the morning. So the ingredient is toothpaste. I'm gonna be using close-up. I'd rather you using what I'm gonna be using today, every single thing that I'm gonna be using. So I'd rather you using close-up or Colgate or Crest. So it should be like a bit hard and goopy. So. And you also need a freezer, which is there in the kitchen wherever, and you'll need something to mix with. I'm gonna be using a toothpick and a bowl plate or a cup, a cap, or something to mix it. Okay, so let's get started. Just first open your toothpaste, and my toothpaste color is green. Yeah. See it? Green. Yeah, so add as much as you want in your hat, and now I'll just get it close up for you so you can see. Yeah, I'm sure that you can see. Yep, so oh my gosh, this is how much I've kept in, and then you'll need to mix this up for some time. Okay, so I've mixed it up for like some time. Then you'll need to put this in the freezer, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Because I've made another one which I've kept it in the freezer like for 1 day, and toothpaste is not dry, so you keep it in for 1 day. So just wait a second. Okay, so it's this one that I've kept in, and it's really slimy, but it's not that shown that it's slimy like this, but it does stick to your hands, but not that much sticky because it's toothpaste, of course. And this one I've kept in some powder and some lotion, so that's why it's like this. And I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.